If you're tired of rewriting the same emails over and over again, or wasting time hunting for the perfect response, you are going to love this video. Okay, so in this series, Mastering Gmail Templates, I'll show you how to create, use, organize, all the things when it comes to Gmail templates so you can save time, stay consistent, and respond faster. So whether you're brand new to Gmail templates or you want to sharpen your workflow, these quick tutorials will help you become a pro in no time. Let's jump over to my Gmail inbox and I'll show you. Okay, now let's talk about, we're back inside my Gmail account and I want to show you how you delete a template. Okay, so I'm going to go to my inbox and I'm going to show you how to delete a template. And the reason for this is I think in the beginning, a lot of times we create more templates than we really need, thinking, this is such a cool tool. I'm going to create a template for this, a one for this, a one for that. You find these are things you never use. And then when you have too many templates to choose from, it's almost overwhelming. Okay, so you really want you only want in there what you are actually using. Okay. So it's up to date. It can actually save you time and it doesn't overwhelm you when you jump in to respond to your emails. So what you do to delete a template, you're still going to go up here to the compose. All right. And then you're going to click on the three little dots again, like we showed before. You're going to click on templates, but then do you see here where it says delete template? You're going to scroll, like just scroll your mouse over that and you go to the left and you look at which template you want to delete. In a previous video, I talked about testing the subject because we were having some issues with that. I won't go into that here, but I'm going to use this as an example so I can delete that. Like I tested a template. Maybe you're going to test 3 or 4 or 5 templates, making templates while you're learning how to do all of this. And you end up with things in there you don't need. You're like, how do I get rid of all these test templates that I really don't need, or these that I thought were really cool and I grabbed them and I popped them in my Gmail and now I don't need them. So this is how you do it. So you see I scrolled over templates, then delete template. I'm on testing the subject, which is the name of the template I want to delete. And I'm going to click that. And it asks me, are you sure you want to delete the saved template? This will delete your saved template, testing the subject. So it's asking me, am I sure I want to do this? Yes, I'm sure. So I'm going to hit delete and it's gone. All right. It's that simple. That's it for this quick Gmail tip. If you found it helpful, I want you to make sure you check out the rest of the Mastering Gmail Templates playlist, all right? And this is to streamline every part of your email game. The links are listed below this video for you. And also, don't forget to grab your free copy of 10 email templates every online entrepreneur needs in their inbox. I'll also drop the link to this below so you can grab your free copy.